This is exactly how to fix your mouse not working on Minecraft on your PlayStation 5. So what we're going to do firstly, if you have both your keyboard and mouse connected to your PlayStation 5, we're going to actually disable both of them. So I'm just going to start with the keyboard here and with the mouse as well. The reason why we need to do so is because PlayStation 5 actually has a known bug, especially for Minecraft. If you connect your keyboard firstly, it will not detect the mouse for some reason. So we need to make sure that now when we reconnect, it's going to be the mouse first. So I know for a fact that this one is my mouse here, USB. So I need to firstly connect this one. So I'm just gonna reconnect it here. So now when I've reconnected it, I'm gonna connect my keyboard after that. So now when I've done so, it should say in the top right corner that it's connected here. As you can see, both the mouse and keyboard are now detected. So now what I need to do as well, there's gonna be one more thing we need to do, and that is to go into settings on your PlayStation 5. Then click on users and accounts. Scroll down here and click on other and click on restore licenses. Then for example, if you have a Minecraft here, just click on it and then click on restore in the bottom right corner. Then just wait for it to finish this process. And after that, go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's gonna be fixed for you as well.